Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will storytelling about the ant and the elephant. One day, in a forest, life side by side between the ant and the elephant. Sometimes, when the ant to look for food, suddenly the elephant disrupted it by spraying water at the ant group. Then the ant, with hot anger, by crying, "Never mind, please don't cry, and I will bother you more than that," sighed elephant. "Yes, never mind. Can you see next time?" sighed the ant. Then the next day, the ant planned to teach a lesson to the elephant so he would bother again. On the planet day, when the elephant is first asleep, then swarms of ants enter the elephant's nose until they feel pain and beg for forgiveness. "Please go out from my nose," said elephant. "I don't care because you have disturbed us," sighed the ant. "If you promise to us, I will go out this place," sighed the ant. "Yes, I promise. I not will disturb you again," sighed the elephant. After that the incident, the elephant didn't feel strongest and nervous, and the elephant ability to choices happily. In living life,